Hi, it's Luke. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some Zelda style hearts for your game. And it's not very hard at all. In fact, it's only about two lines of code. Three plus creative. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. First you're going to need to create one heart sprite. That's right, you don't need to use any sub images for that. And, first, before we start anything, actually, I need to go over this. We're doing this style heart, where there's only one heart for each little piece of life. And I know in most Zelda games it kind of comes in quarters or halves or something like this, and I will go over how we do this. Don't worry, it's not hard. Um, so yeah, let's do this. I say a lot. Okay, so create event, life equals, I'm gonna do 3. So there's 3 should be the maximum life. So this probably is something you haven't seen before. If it is, I'm going to explain it now. If you don't want to, just skip. Um, this is called a for loop. A for loop will continuously repeat whatever is inside of the for loop until the arguments have been met. So I is just a local variable for this. It's just like for use of this in particular. So I equals 0 whenever it starts. If I is less than life, so it's less than your maximum life, then I will plus equal 1. What is I used for? Well, I will show you. You're going to draw a sprite for every time I is created. So draw underscore sprite, your heart sprite, first sub image, and then going to put x plus the width of your sprite. And I added on another I added on 1 so that it had a separation between it because you don't want to get all mixed up or something. Because if I just took away the 8, then they would all be on top of each other. So my actual heart sprite is 7, so I added 1 onto it so you could see some separation. And with that width, we're going to multiply it by I. So every time I is up to by 1, then it's going to multiply that by 8. And you will see what that does, and then just make it y. So let's try this out. Let's see if 3 hearts are created. That's because wherever I set this inside the room, oops, wrong room, right there is going to create 3 hearts. So, for example, just to be dumb, let's put 40 hearts, not 490, that'd not be great. So 40 hearts, 40 will be created because that is our maximum life. To show you how to create the fractioned hearts, kind of, I'm going to show you that really quick. Okay, so this is going to be a little more tedious because it's the use of sub images. So width is 21, 24. Okay, so we're going to just make 3 for this one. You can create more if you like, but I'm going to create 3. Alright, so there's our 3 hearts. This is at maximum life. We're going to take away half of this. So I'm going to do like that much. So there we go. Move this over to the right. Oops. No, I did that right. Okay. Make the first sub image blank because we're going to increase as the sub images go up, because if life equals 0, then the image 0 right here is going to be blank because you're not going to have any life. So the image with the maximum hearts in it should be your maximum life one. So I'm going to copy and paste this one, and we'll put it all into order after we're done, don't worry. Let's take away that last heart. I'm going to do the same with all these. Take away the second heart. Take away half of this one. Got no hand-eye coordination today. Oops, that's right. We already have one of those. Alright, so we put this over here. 2 hearts. 1.5 hearts. 1 heart, half heart, 0. So now if we play the preview, it goes up like that. That's what we want. Call this INC heart for increment hearts, I guess. And I'm going to delete the life. Or no. Okay, so the maximum life will be 6 because you want double the amount of hearts you have. And draw underscore sprite SINC hearts. Sorry about that. Sum image is going to equal your life. And then XY. And then just for show of this, if keyboard underscore check. God, I can't spell ever. VK underscore space life plus equals 1. Copy this. Put shift, I guess. Life will minus equal 1. There we go. I'll roll it. I'm not going to put in the maximum minimum control, but just for this. Oops, forgot to put it in. I'm stupid. Okay, so... Oh, why did I do that? It was already... Okay, sorry. Wasting my time. Okay, so if we press shift... Oops. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Pressed. Okay, put pressed, because it only reads it for one step. That's what we want. Doink, 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 doink. You lost all your lives, you're dead. And it goes up. Increments. Yay! Okay, so to implement this into your game, you would change... You would put the life minus equals whatever, or plus equals whatever, into the corresponding, like, objects that do that. So my life minus equal 1 would probably be like an enemy, and then life plus equals 1 would be like a potion. So, in the other case, for the, just the solid hearts, all doing that, then life would just, it would be the same thing, because, and the life would go down correspondingly, because I would only equal whatever because of equal the hearts because it's the maximum number of hearts that it is. Sorry if that's confusing, but just go with it. It works. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will continue the RPG series. Do calls. Boy.